Hello everyone, welcome to Business School 101. Performance management is a valuable tool that enables managers to systematically monitor and assess employees' performance. Its primary objective is to cultivate an environment conducive to individuals realizing their full potential, while aligning their efforts with the overarching goals of the organization. In this video, we will explore the standard steps in the performance management process, delve into common metrics employed for performance assessments, and identify prevalent mistakes that can impact the process negatively. Additionally, we will shed light on how renowned companies like Amazon and Google approach performance management. So please join me as we explore the intricacies of performance management in greater detail. Section 1. The process. The key steps of performance management typically include the following. Step 1. Planning. This initial step involves defining organizational goals and objectives, and then breaking them down into specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound performance goals for individuals or teams. Planning also involves establishing performance standards or benchmarks against which performance will be assessed. Step 2. Setting expectations. Clear and transparent communication is crucial at this stage. Managers should communicate performance expectations, job responsibilities, and the importance of alignment with organizational goals to employees. This ensures that everyone understands what is expected of them. Step 3. Monitoring and feedback. Continuous monitoring of performance is essential. Managers should regularly observe and assess employees' work, track progress toward goals, and provide timely and constructive feedback. This step involves ongoing communication to address any issues or challenges as they arise. Step 4. Performance appraisal. Periodic formal performance evaluations or appraisals are conducted, typically annually or semi-annually. During these evaluations, managers assess employees' performance against the previously established goals and standards. They discuss strengths, areas for improvement, and potential development opportunities. Step 5. Development and improvement. Based on the performance appraisal, managers and employees collaboratively identify areas where improvement or development is needed. This can include additional training, coaching, mentoring, or skill-building activities to help employees perform better. Step 6. Recognition and rewards. High-performing employees should be recognized and rewarded for their achievements. Rewards can take various forms, including salary increases, bonuses, promotions, awards, or other forms of recognition. This step helps motivate and retain top talent. Step 7. Documentation. Maintaining accurate and comprehensive records of performance-related discussions, feedback, appraisal results, and development plans is essential. Proper documentation ensures transparency and consistency in the performance management process and can be valuable for HR purposes. Section 2. Metrics. Performance management relies on a variety of metrics to assess individual, team, and organizational performance. The choice of metrics can vary depending on the specific goals, objectives, and industry of the organization. Here are some common metrics used in performance management. Number 1. Productivity metrics. These metrics assess the efficiency of an employee's work. Common examples include the number of units produced per hour, the number of tasks completed, or the amount of work output in a given time frame. Number 2. Quality metrics. These metrics evaluate the quality of an employee's work. Examples include error rates, defect counts, or the number of customer complaints related to a product or service. Number 3. Sales performance metrics. For sales teams, metrics like sales revenue, sales growth, conversion rates, and customer acquisition cost are critical indicators of performance. Number 4. Customer service metrics. Customer service teams often use metrics like customer satisfaction scores, CSAT, Net Promoter Score, NPS, response times, and resolution rates to assess performance. Number 5. Cost metrics. Metrics related to cost containment or cost reduction, such as cost per unit produced, can be important for financial performance evaluation. Number 6. Safety metrics. In industries where safety is a concern, metrics related to safety incidents, accident rates, and compliance with safety protocols are crucial. Number 7. Employee development metrics. These metrics track progress in employee development, including the number of training hours completed, certifications earned, or skill proficiency improvements. Number 8. Innovation metrics. In organizations that prioritize innovation, metrics like the number of new ideas generated, patents filed, or successful product launches can be relevant. Section 3. Common mistakes. Performance management can be a complex process, and several common mistakes can hinder its effectiveness. Those mistakes include: Number 1. Lack of clear goals and expectations. Failing to establish clear, specific, and measurable performance goals and expectations can lead to confusion and ambiguity. Employees need to know what is expected of them to perform at their best. Number 2. Infrequent or irregular feedback. Feedback should be ongoing, not limited to annual performance reviews. Waiting too long to provide feedback can result in missed opportunities for improvement and frustration among employees. Number 3. Inconsistent application. Inconsistent evaluation and reward practices can create perceptions of favoritism and unfairness. Performance management should be applied consistently across the organization. Number 4. Overemphasis on metrics. While metrics are important, an over-reliance on quantitative measures can lead to a narrow view of performance. Qualitative aspects, such as teamwork, communication, and innovation, should also be considered. Number 5. Failure to address underperformance. Avoiding difficult conversations about underperformance can lead to the persistence of problems and demotivation among high-performing employees who see poor performance going unchecked. Number 6. Lack of training for managers. Managers should be trained in effective performance management techniques, including providing feedback, conducting appraisals, and setting goals. Without proper training, they may struggle to carry out these tasks effectively. Section 4. Real-world examples. Now let's see how Amazon and Google handle their performance management. Amazon has a reputation as a high-performance, high-challenge organization. It's no surprise then that this extends to how they evaluate employees' contribution. The feedback system at Amazon, which they designed themselves, is intended to push the limits of each employee. They hold weekly or monthly business reviews, where each employee is held accountable for an array of metrics. Furthermore, and in line with their more data-driven approach, Amazon organizes organization-level reviews, where top and bottom performers are presented to the board of managers to inform bonus and firing decisions. Amazon also uses their Anytime feedback tool for enabling feedback available between employees. Using this, employees can directly send praise or criticism about their co-workers. Feedback is sent directly to the manager of the person receiving the feedback, and the identity of the feedback provider is only revealed to them, never to the feedback recipient. Google abolished its purely numerical performance rating system in 2014. This has been replaced by a peer review system, which is all geared around objectives and key results. Carried out semi-annually, peer reviewers are asked to state one thing the reviewee should do more of, and one thing that they could do in a different way. After the feedback cycle, managers meet to look at these peer reviews. They then decide on where a person sits on their 5-point scale, where 5 is superb through to 1 needs improvement. The aim of this collaborative, committee-style approach is to prevent feedback bias by asking managers to justify their decisions to one another. Managers at Google are informed about potential obstacles to objective feedback. And, keeping these obstacles in mind, they decide on the final evaluation of an employee. Assessment summaries are shared half-yearly and compared to a set of examples to justify the evaluation. Alright, that's all for today's topic. If you have any questions regarding this video, please leave your thoughts in a comment below. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.